Samsung has surprised everyone with its latest mid-range phone, the Galaxy A36, and this time, there's a major change under the hood. Unlike previous models that relied on Samsung's own Exynos processors, the Galaxy A36 now comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. This is a rare move for the A series, making this phone a more exciting option for users who prefer Snapdragon-powered devices. The Galaxy A36 is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, a solid upgrade from last year's Exynos 1380 in the Galaxy A35. According to Samsung, this new chip delivers an 8% boost in CPU performance, which should make everyday tasks feel smoother. Benchmark tests indicate improved multi-core performance, while single-core speeds remain about the same. This means users can expect snappy performance, whether they're browsing the web, using social media, or switching between apps. Graphics and AI performance haven't been detailed much by Samsung, but the phone should at least match the capabilities of its predecessor. With the Exynos 710 GPU and the efficiency of the 4nm process, the Galaxy A36 should handle casual gaming and multitasking with ease. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or running multiple apps at once, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 should keep everything running smoothly. Samsung is offering multiple memory options for this device. You can choose between 6GB, 8GB, or even 12GB of RAM, depending on how much power you need. Storage options include 128GB and 256GB, providing plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. While the performance boost may not be massive compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy A36 still delivers reliable power for everyday use. One key factor to watch is how Samsung's software updates will affect long-term performance. The company promises years of updates, but only time will tell if the phone can maintain its speed as new Android versions roll out. Now let's talk about design. Samsung has made some noticeable refinements to the look and feel of the A series in 2025. The Galaxy A36, along with the larger Galaxy A56, introduces a fresh design that sets it apart from previous models. Instead of the usual separate camera cutouts, Samsung has redesigned the rear camera layout to give it a more premium appearance. From early hands-on impressions at MVVC 2025, the build quality feels solid for a mid-range device, giving it a polished and modern look. Color options are another exciting aspect of the Galaxy A36. Samsung has introduced 4 stylish choices: awesome lavender, awesome black, awesome white, and awesome lime. If you're considering the Galaxy A56 instead, that model comes in awesome light gray, awesome graphite, awesome olive, and awesome pink. Unlike the flagship Galaxy S series, which sometimes offers online exclusive shades, these colors will be available in retail stores. However, availability might vary depending on the region, so it's always a good idea to check Samsung's official store to see which options are offered in your country. With a strong balance of performance, design, and color variety, the Galaxy A36 is shaping up to be a solid choice for anyone looking for a mid-range smartphone with a Snapdragon processor. Whether you prefer the sleek and classic look of awesome black or want something more vibrant like awesome lime, there's a color to match different styles. The shift to Snapdragon could also mean better optimization and efficiency, making this phone an interesting option for users who want a reliable device at a reasonable price. What do you think about the Galaxy A36? Do you prefer Snapdragon over Exynos in Samsung's mid-range lineup? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.